Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share with you how to make the best barbecue chicken in case you guys want to help make this super easy and delicious recipe. Just stay tuned and I'll show you how. First, we're going to start by preparing our chicken. Now for the chicken, you can leave it with the skin or you can remove it, the skin. And just make sure that you pat dry, and we're going to create a couple slits. So you just go like that. So once you have the chicken all nice and slit, now we are ready to marinate it. Just make sure that you pat dry your chicken. Put the chicken in a gallon Ziploc bag. Now we're going to drizzle some olive oil. All right, so this is optional. Since we're going to be baking in the oven, I'm going to use some liquid smoke. And of course, if you want to use a grill, you can. You can just skip this. Okay, now I'm going to add some black pepper, sprinkle with some salt and smoked paprika. Make sure that the spices and seasonings go in. Once you have our chicken ready, now we're ready to make our barbecue sauce. We're going to let it marinate while we make our sauce. Of course, if you want to let it marinate longer, stick it in the refrigerator and then just take it out 30 minutes before we bake it. Alright, so now to make our barbecue sauce, we're going to grab a small, maybe medium saucepan. We're going to add half a cup of water, our sriracha, and vinegar. Now, of course, if you want your barbecue sauce to be more spicy, add more sriracha. Okay, we're going to add our ketchup, add 1 tablespoon of our Maggi sauce, I think that's how you pronounce it, our brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 2 teaspoons of salt. Now we're going to turn it on low heat and we're going to whisk all of our ingredients together. So whisk. Now we're just going to bring our sauce to a simmer. Alright guys, so once our sauce comes to a simmer, whisk again. At this point you want to try it and see if you want it more sweet or more spicy. So if you want it more sweet, just add more sugar. Or if you want it more spicy, add more sriracha. So now we're going to let it simmer for 5 minutes. Alright guys, so after 5 minutes, our delicious barbecue sauce is ready. At this point, we're also going to preheat our oven. So preheat it at 400 degrees. Okay, so now we're just going to line our chicken on our baking sheet. And now if you left the skin on your chicken, just make sure that you flip them skin side down. Alright, so now we're going to bake for 30 minutes at 400 degrees. Okay, so after 30 minutes, we're going to get our chicken out and this is what it should look like. Okay, so now we're going to brush on our barbecue sauce. We're going to put our chicken back in the oven where we're going to bake it for another 10 minutes. Alright guys, after 10 minutes, we're going to flip our chicken over and we're going to brush more barbecue sauce. So now we're going to close it and bake it for another 10 minutes. Our chicken should be fully cooked, but just check it and make sure it is at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit. And this is what it looks like. So now we're ready to remove it from the oven. Now if you want the tops to be more crispy, you can set it on the broiler for about 3 to 5 minutes. But for me, my chicken is perfect, so now we're going to be ready to serve. You can serve it with corn, French fries, mashed potatoes, baked potatoes, you name it, whatever your preference is. So now we're ready to enjoy. There you have it, and how I make the best barbecue chicken. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of my family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you buddies on my next video. Bye!